Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing the spicy ramen noodle challenge, and this is like the not so hot one. I guess this is like the first one. So yeah, let me show you guys. And yes, I am wearing sweats. And say hi to Max. Hi Max. So I got the little flakes right here, and I got that little salsita right here. Obviously everything's in, I don't know, is it Chinese or Japanese? One of them languages. And yeah, so let's do this right now. And from what I've seen on the videos is you're supposed to do it dry, so no like little like caldito in there. So y'all, I'm not much of a, I don't really like the Asian. Oh my god, it's so como que sí le falta caldito, right? But gotta do the challenge right. So I'm not much in, like a big fan of like the Asian ramen because it's like so stiff and stuff. I like más mejor the freaking, what's it called, the maruchans, you know, like the Mexican. Well, it's not, I don't even know if it's Mexican. Is it Mexican? I don't know. Ooh. Ready? I'm sorry Max, but I won't be able to give you any of this. I heard that it's not that hot, and I've heard that it is really hot. I was going, got it in my finger. I was going to do this challenge with my cousin Jackie. Hey girl, hey! I know you're watching. But she hasn't been coming to Cali. She hasn't come in a while. So if y'all want us to do the second one together, give it a thumbs up. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna clean this on my little leg because I didn't bring any napkins. Mix this together. To be honest, I don't know how I'm gonna do because I love spicy food, pero también tengo gastritis. Like I get really bad, like heartburn and all of that. So, dude, it actually smells really good. Not gonna be chicken, I'm gonna take a big ass bite. Oh shit. It's actually pretty good. So we'll be counting here the bites that I've taken. Oh fuck. I'm gonna try to finish it without water, and I have my water bottle there. Fuck. It kind of tastes like tapatio, like a shitload of tapatio. I could do that. To be honest, that water's calling my name now. It's like,
Mother, drink me. You know you want me.
Max is eating a tortilla. Was that my highlight or was that sweat? I would do this challenge with my fiance, but he doesn't like spicy at all. But he is really competitive. I can't even talk. But I won't torture him like that. Dude, this actually is really good. It's good but spicy. So guys, I failed. I still have all of this. I already drank water. So that was my last sips. Let's see if I can finish this. But I already failed. I already failed. Like I said, it's too dry. I need stuff with that. It's not that spicy on my lips, to be honest. Everyone was saying that it would get really spicy on the lips. Good thing I already had my like Rinaltilina. I think that's how you say it. A good thing I work tomorrow like late. I go in at 6:30, so just in case I have the shits in the morning, you know, the shits. Okay, I can't do this. I tap out. Nope. It's not that it was really spicy right now, but it was because my stomach's starting to hurt now, like really bad. And plus it's cold, and it was better when it was warm. So if you guys want me to film the 2 times spicy with excuse me, with my cousin Jackie, you didn't do it with me this time, but if we get, let's see, I always get a little bit of likes, so if we get this at least 20 likes, we'll get to have her whenever she comes to California, because she lives in Oregon. We'll have her and I do it the 2 times spicy. So yeah, hella spicy. Like I said, I would have done this with my fiance, but he does not do good with spicy at all. We're Mexican. He's Mexican too. My mom loves to cook carne con chile, he has eaten carne con chile. Does not do good with carne con chile. But yeah. So yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, get it to at least 20 likes, and I'll have Jackie and I do the... Honestly, it was actually pretty good. The flavor was good. I think it was a chicken flavor. Yeah. I got it in Amazon for $3 something. I'll link it down below if you guys want to try it. It's actually pretty good. So, yeah. Ay, mi pancita. Let's hope I won't get the shits tomorrow. And let's hope I won't end up at the ER either. So, yeah. Give it a thumbs up for me doing this. Like I said, I love spicy food. And yeah, shit, I push. On the extra hot Cheetos, I always put limon and tapatio on it. So I thought I was able to do this. Nope. I think I would have been able to do it if it didn't get cold. And it got cold. So yeah. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. And yes. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video.